Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm vlogging today and I'm super happy and excited because it's my first vlog and it is an Eid vlog. So by the time you would have watched this video, Eid ho chuka hoga. So Eid Mubarak to each and every one of you watching this video, and also to the ones who are celebrating Eid al-Adha. So in this vlog I'm going to share certain pre-preparations which I did for Eid, and also I'll be sharing my Eid day with you all. So I'm starting this vlog a day prior Eid, that is 31st of July, as 1st of August is Bakrid, that is Eid al-Adha here in India. I'm at Bangalore right now, so I'll be sharing my experience with you all. Now quickly let's get into the vlog. Whenever there's a festive season at home, the first thing which we ladies do is cleaning. Cleaning here means deep cleaning. So I have a maid here and she used to just sweep and mop the entire home every day. So apart from this, I did some dusting work like sofa cleaning, curtain cleaning, carpet cleaning, etc, etc. But apart from home cleaning, I also did my fridge cleaning. I'm sure most of us have the habit of fridge cleaning once in a month at least, but I'm not someone who cleans fridge very regularly, but I make sure that I clean my fridge during festive season, and also at times when there is a huge mess. At times what happens is we often tend to fail in discarding rotten fruits or rotten vegetables, and it completely spoils our hygiene, especially our fridge hygiene. Now when there is a festive season where we have to store huge amount of meat in our fridge or in freezer, then definitely fridge cleaning is a must, and with that purpose I deeply cleaned my refrigerator and freezer. Then the next thing which I did was dining table cleaning. For glass cleaning, I always use a glass cleanser. You can use Colin too. Here most of us have the habit of using some festive table spreads and placemats. So with that purpose, I made sure that my dining table is also clean during Bakrid. Then the next thing which I did was sofa cleaning using this roller. This roller has some 50 adhesive sticker sheets using which we can easily clean sofas, carpets or curtains or any rugs. It's really useful, and within 2 minutes all the dust will be stuck onto the glue of this particular roller, and it's a lifesaver. If in case you want a detailed video on this, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make a separate video. Then the next thing which I did was bed cover or bedspread change. So this usually happens at my home. Whenever there's a festive season, we try to make sure that we use new bedspreads and pillow covers, and this is how it looks like after I have used a new bedspread. I did a very simple wall decoration at home for Bakrid just to create that festive vibes, and I have already mentioned the tutorial in one of the videos. Please do go and check. I'll mention link in the description box. Now I'll quickly show you my kitchen or my food pre-preparations. Firstly, I prepared tamarind water in huge quantity because I felt like it will be useful in so many dishes. Then secondly, I prepared ginger garlic paste, and then I prepared a detox water for Eid day because we'll be consuming too much of meat, and detox water will come to the rescue for sure. I just added few pieces of lemon, ginger, mint and cucumber to make this detox water. And the next thing which I pre-prepared was chicken. For chicken 65, I marinated a few pieces of chicken and I refrigerated it. Then I also got khova to make some sweet. We usually have this habit of playing surahs or Quran or Yasin on television in YouTube. Here from evening I have been playing Takbir on YouTube. Now I'll quickly show you. The next thing which I prepared was mutton dalcha, because dalcha you can store it for 3 to 4 days in fridge. So I prepared a night prior Eid. Okay, so now it's time for me to quickly take out all my baby's dresses and my dresses from the wardrobe and keep it somewhere ready so that I can use them in the morning for Eid without wasting time, because definitely it takes time to search each and every dress of yours, and I don't want to waste my time. Now I'll quickly show you what we are going to wear for Eid. So my mom sent these two dresses for my baby from Chennai, and this one is yellow color t-shirt with some rhinestones and jeans pant, and the other one is beige color t-shirt with stylish zip and short pant. And then this is my off-white dress, and this is a long gown, and I'm going to pair this with tomato red color golden lace dupatta, which I already had with me. I have been so much into this cleaning and preparation work that I don't find time to pamper myself. I'm going to quickly do a instant facial right now just to brighten up my face on Eid day. So I'm using Golden Glow Skin Brightening Face Pack from the brand Miss Natura. This is 100% organic and it gives an instant glow to my skin. Okay, now we are done with all the preparation work, and I'm going to keep alarm for tomorrow morning, and I'm super happy and excited for Eid day. I'm going to quickly take a deep sleep, and see you soon. Hey, it's Eid day and it's morning. So after Fajr Namaz, I made sure that I burned some oud, that is bakhur, on my electric burner, that is electric oud burner. If you want to know more about this burner and how to use it or how to clean it, then please do check the video which I've already uploaded on my channel. Link is in the description box. As we are new to Bangalore, we did not do Qurbani here because it's just the two of us here, and nobody else is there. That is, my family is not here. So we gave Qurbani in my in-laws' home. And then I offered my Eid namaz. So Qurbani, that is slaughtering, was done in my neighbor's home. I was watching this from my room's window and I captured a little bit of glimpse for you all. I then moved to the kitchen and started preparing breakfast. So I made egg chicken ka khare semia, and this was cooking when I took the video. After having breakfast, it was time to dress up my little boy. He quickly took a bath and then we dressed him up, and this was my Eid outfit, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Then I moved to the kitchen to prepare lunch. I prepared khatte baingan, that is baingan ki chutney, and then I also prepared mutton biryani. I also prepared raita, which I forgot to capture, and then I fried some chicken. I reheated my dalcha for lunch, and then for sweet I prepared this roux afza, bread rasmalai and sheer khurma, and this is how my lunch plate looks like. After having lunch, we took a power nap. We also got meat packets from our neighbors, which I stored in my freezer. After a beautiful nap, we had some hot ginger tea along with khajoor, and then in the evening we dressed up our boy in his another outfit, this yellow t-shirt and jeans, and he was just playing, and also he did speak with his grandparents on video call. I also tried Semia Bites the next day and I loved it so much, and I also got some very beautiful compliments on this sweet. So I'm adding the picture of this sweet here. And apart from Semia Bites, I also tried cupcakes some 3 to 4 days prior Eid. That was just basic vanilla and white cream cupcakes, and I just added my baby's farm animals, that is sheep and camel, as the topper. I really hope that you liked this vlog and enjoyed watching this vlog. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and stay connected.